Light off, light on.
Get my lips. Hi guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, you remember when I told you that I was going to change all the chandelier lights in the house, like all the light fixture? I mean, I like the chandelier light, but I'm definitely going to change the chandeliers in this house. I don't like them. So guys, I got this chandelier light from Overstock. It was just below $200 and I am so in love with it. And you can see the K9 crystals all over it, and it takes four 60-watt E12 bulbs. Oh yeah, there we go guys. Our refrigerator for the upstairs bar came on time. I'm so happy since Samsung disappointed us with our main refrigerator for our kitchen. So now we're just using this as our refrigerator right now while we are waiting for Samsung to come through. Yeah, I love it. I'm so in love with it. Yeah, so so guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.